Breaking news, Raging Water is still open till the end of September. Now, they're still planning for you to do what exactly? Well, let's go take a look. Come on, speed run, go! Okay, you can still ride bombs away. Come on, let's go. 50% off all merch in the store for season pass holders. Go stick on the deal. Bye, guys. Running up on the water. Are we gonna run through it? No, we're going safely. Always walk around water. Watch your step. And we landed here. Look, can you think of any better way to spend a weekend after school or work? I can't. Let's say hi to the giant chair. Hi, giant chair. You can buy a season pass now and get the rest of 2024 for free, along with all of 2025. The heck of a deal. And the summer's not over yet. Just run it, so. So here's the weather.
It's hot.